I summoned you for this meeting with the intention of discussing with the three of you. Unfortunately, Lucy is not here right now. I mean, since when did she start sleeping out?
They have called her countlessly, but her line is switched off.
Dad, you know what? I think you should just go on with whatever it is you have to tell us. When Lucy comes, you can talk to her.
Let me go straight to the point. It's about the woman I'm about to get married to. Yes. You know, it's been a while that I've been single. It's not as if it was actually an issue. But I think we need a male child in this family. Don't you think so?
Dad, I don't think so. And do you think this is the best decision? My mom is still alive. Why not get back with her? You guys talk things over, reconcile. As far as I'm concerned, she can still bear you a male child.
Jeezy.
Father.
We've gone through this before. And I've told you that what you're asking for is practically impossible. I mean, the circumstances surrounding our separation is something that, I mean, we cannot redeem anymore, okay? Well, moreover, I have found someone I want to get married to.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. As a matter of fact, within the week, she's going to come and I will introduce her to all of you. Okay?
We've heard you.
Good. That is the main reason I called for this meeting. And I want to thank you for your understanding. Have a good night rest. Good night.
Good night, Daddy. Good night.
Is Daddy being serious? Cheesy. You should have talked to Dad in private about your mother's issue. Not bringing it up here.
Really? Did you hear him speak? Does he look like someone who can be convinced? No matter the time I bring up this issue, he wouldn't budge. His mind is made up already. Don't blame the man. It's the woman that calls herself my mother I blame.
I believe by now you must have known Cheese's true colors. You have seen why I call her chameleon. Now it's up to you to make your choice. If I were you, I would go for Lucy or Tessie instead of Cheesy. The choice is yours. Bye. Who's this?
Who's this person? Who is this person that has refused to disclose his or her identity?
I'm sorry. I'm so afraid. I can't sleep in that room alone.
Why?
Don't worry, I'll sleep on the ground. Don't worry.
No, why? Why can't you sleep in the room?
And I saw a very big rat. A big rat. Big rat. Yes. It's so big like me. It's so big. A ghost rat. A ghost rat. So I cannot sleep in that room alone.
Oh, there's no rat anywhere.
I saw the rat. I'm not hallucinating. I saw a rat, a very big rat.
Where did she get the nightgown from?
Okay, you can stay here then. Let me stay in the room.
No. If you go there, the rat will come here. If you go there, it will come here. I don't want you to go anywhere. I'm so scared. The rat is so big.
There's no rat anywhere.
There's a big rat. I saw it. I saw the rat. It's so big. If you see this rat, please, I can't stay alone.
No, it's fine. You can. Oh, okay. Let me just stay on the floor. It's okay. I'll lie on the floor. It's fine. Just stay on the bed.
Okay.
There's no rat anywhere.
There's rats. There's a very big rats. Very big rats. Yes. Ghost rats. Oh my.
Can I have a
scared. Huh?
The pillow.
Okay.
I'm not joking with you, Irene. Go in there, pick your filthy rights and get out of my house.
Ikenna, you are deceiving yourself by thinking that I will pack my things out of this house after getting me pregnant.
I am not responsible for this bastard that you are carrying in your womb.
I am not leaving, and that is fine. Now you better get used to it. I'm not going anywhere. Oh, when you were climbing me, were you not in your right state of mind? Answer me now. Were you not thinking properly? I'm not going. God will punish you.
It is you and your generation that God will punish. You are mad.
You are
it is
mad.
you and your
You are
family.
mad. You
All
are
of
mad.
you.
Your
God will
family,
punish
your
you.
generation, Ekwesu, devil, demon.
Now listen very good. If I come back to this house after 2 hours and you are still here, I swear
Why
you will
2
not like
hours?
what I will do to you.
Why 2 hours?
You will not like
Why
what I will do
not
to
now?
you. You will
Why
not like
not
what I
now?
will do to you.
Why not now? Why not now? You're not going to
If I slap you, if I slap
you
you.
have to slap me. Oh yeah, man. Slap me. You cannot beat a woman.
Let me go and come back and just stay here.
Devil.
You will not like that.
Devil. Devil incarnate. Ekwesu. God will punish you. Punish your family. Your generation. Everything else will calamity me before all of you. Evil man.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
I want to dress the bed. I don't know. Your breakfast is ready, so it's on the dining. I want to dress the bed.
Oh, really?
So you can go to the dining while I dress the bed.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you.
And I'm sorry about yesterday. I'm sorry if I made you uncomfortable. I didn't know what was going to happen this way. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I understand.
Okay, so you just have to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just be clear. It's okay. Okay. I'll just wait for you to.
She's so evil, like a viper's snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky, sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way, and she feel no remorse, 'cause she is so dangerous. Oh hey, her heart is bitter. She got no human sympathy. She has no atom of love. Oh, she's so dangerous. Hey, so dangerous. Yeah. What kind of human will have the mind to betray her own blood for selfish desires? What sort of human will take her time to plot so much evil? She's dangerous, oh my, so dangerous. Oh hey, her heart is bitter.
How are you?
She got no human sympathy. She has no atom of love. Oh, she's so dangerous.
How was your trip? Sorry. How was it coming?
We came here together.
Why are you sounding like it's the first time I'm here? Don't worry, I'm fine, I'm good. Okay?
Yeah.
So how have you been?
I'm okay. I'm fine. I'll be right back. Let me just sketch you guys something.
Okay. Alright. Don't stay too long,
Oh,
alright?
it's not.
That phone looks familiar. And I noticed that he did not want Chizzy to see that phone.
Do you know I've been calling my mother? Until now, she hasn't picked up my calls.
You serious?
Yes.
Chizzy, I have told you to tell this guy everything.
Bring your voice down.
Just tell him everything.
It's not like I don't want to tell him, but I'll tell him, but not now. I said not now.
Should I tell Chizzy about the phone Dan was hiding from her? But I'm still trying to recollect who uses that kind of phone. I know I have seen that phone somewhere.
So what do I offer you? Do you want anything to drink?
Anything at all.
I'll get you a drink.
Where are they?
They're in the living room. Here. You left your phone on the couch.
Did they see it?
No, they didn't.
Listen, I can't keep staying here. There's no exit through the back door. What do I do?
It's okay, there's no need to panic. I'll make sure she doesn't enter this room.
Okay. You will handle it.
Yeah, it's okay. Come.
She's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky, sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way, and she feel no remorse, 'cause she is so dangerous. Oh hey, her heart is bitter. She got no human sympathy. She has no atom of love. Oh, she's so dangerous. Hey, so dangerous.
Ah, sister is back. Hello guys, how are you guys doing?
We're fine. Lucy, where have you been?
I've been at home. Oh, I actually went to a friend's place and I slept over. And when I got back, you guys weren't at home. What happened? Am I safe?
Of course you were. We're just worried about you, that's all.
Mr. Dan, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Please come in.
She's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky, sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way, and she feel no remorse, 'cause she is so dangerous. Dangerous. Oh, hey. Her heart is bitter. Dangerous.
Till now, Jesus is still silent over our plan to visit her mother, which means she wishes I never talk about it again. I'm beginning to detest that girl because I hate liars. Another message with another number. Now that you have heard few of some secrets your fiancé is hiding from you, do you wish to see her mother? Or just for some confirmation? You can go there tomorrow. Just pretend you're a customer. Here's the address.
I don't even know what happened with this phone last night. My phone just disappeared and appeared mysteriously. That's so strange. sir. Can I make a call with your phone? I don't have airtime and my bank app is giving me issues. Please.
See this life? When I beg you and Lucy for airtime, people say, oh, you beg too much. You do this, you do. Now you want to use my phone to make call. Who do you want to call?
Dan, I haven't spoken to him today. So please, can I use the phone?
No problem. When are you going to see your mother?
You have to give me conditions before. Fine. Today. And then Dan and I will go tomorrow, no matter the outcome of the visits.
No, you're talking, eh? Don't worry. You can stay as long as you want on the phone. Finish my airtime.
Please let me have the phone. Run along. You want to be here while I have my conversation? I don't want anybody to hear my conversation. Run along. Go inside. Thank you.
You know my password, so just...
Yes, I do. I opened it already. Hi, baby. Are you there? I am doing fine. Sorry, I'm using Tessie's phone to call you. I didn't have airtime on my phone. Tessie. Anyway, I just wanted to hear your voice. Okay, make sure you call me back, oh. Love you. Bye.
She has no shame, and she don't even care, and she don't wanna know the damages she is causing. The cry of a child with a wayward mother, someone who don't want to change. She's
pretty young.
Madam, good morning, ma. Has it gotten to the extent of you not greeting me in this house?
Hey, now let me ask you. Is greeting by force? Greeting someone, is it by force? Okay, after all, I greeted you the other day. Did you answer me? No, you didn't. So please, I beg of you, allow me enjoy my marriage now.
Sir, you know you are very foolish, very senseless. No wonder you have not given my brother a child. And if care is not taken, you are going to remain like that. Remain barren for the rest of your life.
You are mad. You are mad. It's your daughter that will remain barren. And I'm sure that you will remain like this for the rest of your life. You will remain single, no husband.
Hold on. Stop ranting. Did I tell you I want to go back to him? Yeah. All this for one person.
Biko, let this stand as a warning to you. This is my husband's house. You hear me? Please, allow me enjoy it. I'm not going to drag this place with anybody.
Ebere, let me educate you. You say this is your husband's house?
Yes, certified
my dear,
husband.
This is my father's house. Tell your husband to go and build his own house.
And my husband inherited this place from his father. Go back to your husband's house.
Let me tell you something. Your husband has to build a house for his children to inherit. Just the way he inherited this one from my father.
That is your own. This is my husband's house. Allow me enjoy it. Leave me alone. I am not your problem. You see yourself.
Better let me educate you. Let me educate you. Stop ranting. Let me educate you. Do you know the cause of your barrenness? It is your bad character. Your stinking character. Your character stinks. And that is why you have not given my brother a child.
You are crazy. You are stupid. You see? So you are behind me not conceiving. You are the one behind it. You don't want me to have a child for my husband. You have exposed yourself. And my God will punish you. God will punish you.
Let me tell you the reason for your barrenness. Not me. Your bad character. Maybe you should change from your bad character, and God, in His infinite mercy, will remember you.
You are the one. You are full of bad character. You don't even know.
At least I have a child of my own. I am a mother.
Leave my husband's house for me. Leave my husband's house for me. Leave my husband's house for me. Anyway, what am I even wasting?
Just thank your staff.
You will not stop me. I have somewhere important I'm going to.
That's your staff.
Come on, get out.
This morning,
By the
I'm in a good mood.
You are lucky. So you will leave this house.
I'm in a good mood this morning. If not, I would have shown you the stuff I've made of. You know me now. They don't need to tell you who I am. I would have beaten you blue-black this morning.
The cry of a child with a wayward mother. Someone.
Okay, my mother is
I hope by now you must have confirmed the truth about all I have told you concerning Chizi's mother. Please, delete all the messages so that my sister will not see them.
What are you doing with my phone?
Ceci been telling me about me. I am asking you, what has Ceci been telling me? She just sent you a message to
Tell me exactly what you've been hiding. All the secrets you've been hiding, including your paternity.
my paternity.
Oh yes?
How?
Are you asking me? Look, no need to shedding tears, alright? Now I see the reason you've been hiding your mother from me. Alright? You're just a chameleon.
Wait.
Don't even dare touch me, because I gave you all the time to explain this to me, but you never did. Don't dare touch me.
Okay, please.
No. I want to be very sincere to you right now. Don't touch me. That's in case you've lost it. Don't touch me.
I promise I won't touch you, but at least listen to me. Dan, please. Dan! I'm begging you, please let me explain.
Easy as
Dan!
fake ass bitch.
She has no shame, and she don't even care, and she don't wanna know the damages she is causing. The cry of a child with a wayward mother, someone who don't want to change. She's living a life of disgrace. She don't even want to change. The pains of a child with a wayward mother who lives a dating life. She don't even want to change. Her whole life is full of mess. Mama, why are you making this hard for me? Why are you making me shed these tears? Oh, I am going through these pains because of you. Why can't you just...
Welcome, my darling, beautiful sister is back.
Why is your face like this?
How could you, Tessie? How could you?
What did I do?
You're asking me what you did.
What did I do to you?
Tessie, where did I go wrong? Why in God's name would you do what you did?
What did I do? What did I do? You just gave my sister.
Tessie, you were the closest to me. I told you everything about my own life. Why would you treat me this way? What did I do to you? Shut up! Shut the hell up! One more word from you, I would tear you into pieces. I would shred you.
What is happening?
You don't know. She just
What
came
happened?
slapped me.
What's going on here?
I slapped you because you did nothing. No, you didn't do anything and I hit you. Well, let me tell you. I saw the message you sent to his phone. Every message you sent to him, I saw it today.
Oh, good.
You're asking me who? You traitor.
Wait, hold it right there. You just came here and you started shouting, traitor, phone. What happened? What is going on? What's going on? Why did you slap her?
Don't do anything.
You want Dan, right? No, you want to have him. You want... It's okay. Don't listen. Don't touch me. Don't even try to stop me. No, you will not be for him to stop me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, please. If I see you anywhere around me, if you come anywhere close to me, I swear to God, I will deal with you. Bastard.
Don't do anything to her.
What did you do? You that I know. You. What did you do?
I did not do anything. She just came and asked.
You will not open your mouth and tell me what you did. What did you do? You're always doing one thing or the other. What is your problem? Since you want to have it, you can go ahead and have it. But if I say, hey! Idiot. What's the problem now? What is it? Have you seen it? Because of you, they want to break my head. Eh? Stay one place now. Stay one place. No, let the thunder that wants to fire you in one place. What is all this now? What is all this? Eh? Tessie.
She is, hey, she's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter.
What? Are you serious? So Tessie has been the one sending you those secret text messages?
Yes. Because she knew her sister was living a fake life.
For God's sake, why would Tessie betray her own sister?
I don't bloody care what her motive is. The main thing is that what is hidden has been revealed. I have nothing to do with her again. I will rather marry her elder sister than to settle for a bloody liar.
What? Dan, are you alright?
Of course, I'm perfectly okay.
For God's sake, must you marry from her family?
Yes. I am going to marry her elder sister. That way I'm going to teach her a lesson of her life. Can you imagine? Even the man she calls her father is not even her biological father.
Unbelievable.
Okay. I'm glad you're shocked as well. Let's go, please.
Hey, she's so evil, like a viper snake. Her heart is bitter, and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way, and she feel no remorse, 'cause she is so dangerous. Oh hey, her heart is bitter.
How do you know about all this?
I saw the message she sent to them. I saw the message. It was Tessie's number. She was the one who sent a message to him.
I don't have this person's phone number. I did not send anything. The only time she was the one that carried my phone to call him, and since I don't even have his number.
Tessie, you are a liar from the pits of hell. And I swear to God, you will not make heaven. You did not send him a message. So how did the message get into his phone? Did the message fly? Did it grow wings? I'm asking you. You didn't send the message to him. How did he get the message? Father, I saw the message with my own eyes. She sent down a text message. Hey! Tessie! If you say one more word, if you lie here, I will shred you into pieces. I will do something you would not like. Don't even try me.
It's okay. Both of you shut up right now. Shut up this minute. What is it? You sent it, you didn't send it. You sent it, you didn't send it. So which one are we going to take?
Father, that is not the only thing. Do you know this nitwit sitting down here had the cause to tell Dan about my paternity? Knowing full well that I've been trying to keep it away from him.
What? She did what?
She told him everything, Father. Everything that he needs to know.
Enough of this accusation.
Why are you standing? You want to fight me? I am asking you, do you want to fight me?
I don't send anything.
Tessie, where did I go wrong? What did I do to you? If you wanted this man, why didn't you tell me? Why did you have to tell him about my life? You know how much I kept that secret away from him. It was only you I spoke to about it. And you went ahead to tell him everything.
Oh.
Now the relationship is over. Are you happy? Child. I am asking you, are you happy?
I did not do anything.
You can go to his house and have him. But I swear to God who made me, you will never see anything good in your life.
God forbid. I will see good things. I did not say anything.
It's okay. It's okay. You said, why another person seeing they enter your eye? Close your eye. Close it. Close it. Long throat. Oh, long
She's
throat.
so evil. Like a viper's snake.
You get
Her heart is bitter and she don't even care for nobody. She is sneaky and creepy. She takes you on her way.
That young man is the one that wants to marry my daughter. Why was he at my shop? Even my daughter was not aware that he was in my shop. I saw how disgusted he was about my attitude.
Could you tell my wife this?
Oh God, what have I done?
Sister, I'm talking to you.
Ifeanyi, please. As you can see, I'm just coming back from the shop. I do not have your time this evening. I don't have time for this. I'm very, very tired, please.
Okay. This time, Mona must hear of this.
She has no shame, and she don't even care, and she don't wanna know the damages she is causing. The cry of a child with a wayward mother, someone who don't.
Why would Dad wake up one morning and decide to lie against me? Heaven knows I have never called him for one day. I don't even have his number. Please forgive me.
Smolly, how are you? Why are you still doing here? Everybody's inside. What are you still doing? Let me ask you a question. Tessie, did you send Dan a message? That's not the question. Why did you send Dan such a message?
Please, I don't even want to get angry. I said I did not send any message to anybody.
Okay, you want to beat me? Oh yeah, beat me now. Beat me! You are shouting at me. No. You want to shout at me. Look at you. Look at this small girl. Hey. Let me just keep quiet. I only came here because I thought I wanted to show my concern.
I did not say anything. And God knows that whoever is behind this would never ever see anything good.
On your head. On your head. Because you sent him a message. It was your phone. It was a phone number that sent him that message. Look at you. You're still a small girl, last born. When I was your age, what was I doing? I was learning how to type computer. You are here looking for your sister's boyfriend with this your tiny waist. This waist that I'm looking at, you have started doing adult things. Oh, because of the weavers I used to borrow you. You have started doing adult things. I don't blame you. See, if you try it to me, I will slap you. Oh yeah, go and wash plates. I said you should go and wash plates. You are still sitting. You are leaning in the car. I will beat you. Go and wash the plates.
No,
I said go and wash plates. What is wrong with this one?
Please, just pick up your calls, please. I should have just told him the truth. I should have just...
What are you doing here? Don't go. I said move! Jessie, don't even get on my nerves. I said you should move.
Just listen to what I have to say.
What do you have to say? No, what do you have to say?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do what?
Jessie, please, I need
Listen, if you say one more word from me, if you say one more word here, I swear to God, I will beat you to a point you will not even recognize your own self. I don't want you to hear one more word. Now, take your dirty, little, silly self out of this room.
Jessie, listen, I
I cannot betray you. It's not possible.
Tessie, don't push me. If you know what is good, take your silly self out of my room. Tessie, don't try me. Don't you dare try me. Get out. Get out from here. Get out!
Who is there? Wow. Good morning. For this people now. This one, I want to marry 3 sisters and 7.
Please let me at least see this message that you said I sent to you. Please.
Look, Tessie, you have confirmed that the number is yours, okay? I understand how you feel. I mean, I made a mistake. I wouldn't have told Cheesy that you were the one that sent the message. I made that mistake. Okay, so...
I didn't send any message. It's obvious that somebody used my phone to send you that message. Please, allow me see it, please.
Look, Tessie, let's forget about all this, okay? I'm very grateful here. Deep down, I am grateful that you shared this piece of information to me. At least I won't make a mistake, okay?
Please, let me at least see it.
God would definitely bless you for telling me the truth.
Let me see the message.
You don't need to see it. You don't need to. You know what she sent.
Wow. Just wow. Tessie. So this is it. Now you are happy, right? No, you are happy, isn't it?
It's not what you think.
Just keep short. Don't even say one more word. You would not like me. It's not what I think. I just heard him thanking you for sharing a piece of information with him. So what exactly are you saying? So this is what you do. Tessie, tell me where did I go wrong? What did I do to you? Darling, what is she doing here? I'm asking, what the hell is she doing here?
I just came.
Shut up! Just keep it. Shut up. Don't even say one more word.
Look, can you stop all of this? Stop threatening the poor girl.
She told you everything you need to know. Now she's here to take over, isn't it?
Now what are you here to do? Are you here to threaten the poor girl for saying the truth?
You want to know what I'm doing?
Yes. What are you doing here?
You are asking me what I am doing here. I am going to tell you what I'm doing here. I want to give you a certificate. You're getting married to 2 sisters. How cool. Beautiful, right? But I tell you, I do not have a problem with you. As for you, I will deal with you.
Deal with her for doing what exactly? For not allowing you to deceive me?
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. Is that why you want to deal with her? She has done nothing wrong. Because she told me the truth?
Listen, if you say one more word, you know where you're sitting is not a good position. I will slap the living daylight out of you.
Don't even dare. Don't even dare.
You said she loved me. And that we were going to be together forever. Is this your definition of love?
Do you know what is called love? Because you have no idea what is called love. Love means transparency. That is what it means. Don't sit here and give me crocodile tears like you know what love is called.
You're correct. I don't know what love means.
Just hide everything, literally everything.
If you say one more word for me, you will not even like me. I don't even want to hear one more word.
For real. What are you going to do? Fight me? I'm asking you, you fight me? Huh? You want to fight me? It's all over. You can't deceive me anymore. I know the whole truth. I know that's why you're pained.
Sister.
Liar. Come here to preach love to me while you have no idea what love is called.
I did not
Bloody
send
liar.
you any message.
It's okay, don't tell me.
Look.
Look, I am grateful here, okay? I am very, very grateful. So you have nothing to worry about. Leave what she's saying. She's just blabbing. Bloody liar. I understood why she was denying everything. She never knew her sister was going to find out.
How could that be possible when all of them are living in the same house?
Jazzy, I would not have found out if Chizzy had not called with her line.
Come to think of that, do you think she could have given Chizzy her phone, knowing full well that Tessie has been using it to send secret message to you?
Anything can be possible, my guy. She might think I will not recognize the number. Besides, Chizzy needed to call me at that moment. You know.
Then it is still very possible that someone else used that line to send you the secret message. Now, have you asked yourself why she suddenly decided to use her line instead of the first one that has been sending you the message?
My man, look, I understand you have feelings for her, okay? So don't worry yourself. I am switching to Lucy. You can go ahead and have Tessie or have her or anything.
No, Dan, why are you like this?
No, it's just...
No, who is having feelings for her? For God's sake, you are saying a different thing here.
See, I really have to run along. I have a business meeting. You can go ahead and do what you want. What I just told you.
You're fond of diverting. Instead, each time we are saying something serious. I don't get it.
But I'm real. I'm telling you what I have.
Please sit down. Please. I called the both of you here to discuss something with you. I promise I'm not going to take much of your time. Please.
Sister, please just go straight to the point. You can see I was busy upstairs before you called.
And I was busy in the kitchen as well.
I called the both of you to apologize for what I said the other day.
What did you say?
The one that I said that Ebere is not going to give birth. Please, my brother, Ebere, please forgive me. I said all that out of anger. Fine. Ebere is going to give birth to as many children as you want. Please. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
Abby, you fed up?
I've heard that.
Do you have anything to say?
My love, honestly, I don't have anything to say. When she insulted me, my God heard. But what I know is that nobody, no one can harm me.
I'm really sorry. I said all that out of anger. I really want children. I want to hear the cry of children in this house. I'm even praying for you now to conceive. Yes. I want my brother to have children of his own. I want to have niece and nephew. I want them to call me auntie, please. I am sorry. Oh, let's just put all that behind us. I'm sorry, please.
Okay. You know, I'm happy you're the one asking for peace. My wife and I, we've gotten over what you said the other day. And you forgiven me.
Oh, thank you very much, my brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, you're very good. Yeah. Just be.
What can I say?
Very much.
It's okay.
Someone definitely used my phone to send that text message. I left my phone here. What's going on? Where's my phone? I need to talk to Chizzy. I need to see Chizzy. Chizzy.
What? What is it?
Chizzy, I need to talk to you.
Oh, now the devil wants to talk. What exactly do you want to say to me? How you stole my boyfriend's number? Started sending him messages about my paternity? No, tell me! Is that what you want to explain?
Chizzy, since the beginning of everything, you haven't given me a chance to explain myself.
What am I supposed to hear? I know everything already. What else do you want to say to me?
How do you think I can do something like that to you, Chizzy?
I will never ever forgive you. Never ever. Chizzy. And stop coming close to me. Whatever explanation it is you have to say, feed them to the dogs.
Chizzy.
Don't touch me!
Chizzy, I cannot do something like that to you.
If you say anything more to me, you will not like me. What the hell, Sean? You don't even have to fear. You're touching me. If you come to me one more time, I will deal with you. Why will you do that to her? Who is this? Eh? Why will you do that to her? Listen to me. I don't want to see you anywhere around me. Since you want to take what rightfully belongs to me, you want to have what is mine. I don't want to see you anywhere.
Chizzy, please wait, let me see what I have to say.
Shut up. What are you explaining? She was here, you did not explain. The slap you fell down. You are going to explain. I want to explain. Come over here. Nonsense. Claire!
And she feel no remorse, cause she's so dangerous. Heart is bitter. She got no human sympathy. She has no atom of love.
What kind of problem is this? Why has this girl refused to leave my house? What are you still doing here? I am talking to you.
How dare you! Serves you right! Let me ask you. Do you think I'm actually happy being pregnant for you? Do you think you're doing me a favor? I am the one doing you a favor. So get the hell out of my life.
tell anyone you're coming?
Yes, we went somewhere. So I decided to stop by and see you. Oh, who is this young girl?
Oh, she's his elder sister.
Come and greet me. Come and greet me. How are you, my daughter?
Very well, ma'am.
Oh, you are as beautiful as your sister.
I was just about to say that. Yeah, you're very pretty too. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, so she did come with you?
No, she
gave us something to bring for me.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
I hope she's fine.
She's great. She's fine. Ma,
Okay.
sorry, I have company.
Okay, alright.
Hello?
Very fine. Very fine.
So you said you came to do what?
Yes. So what is holding you from coming to see your father so that both of you can fix a date for your wedding and traditional marriage?
I have been very busy at the moment, but once I'm done with everything, I'll come to see him.
Daniel, this was not how you started this journey. You wanted to do everything immediately. But right now, you seem not to be serious again. What is the problem?
Nothing. Like I said, I have a whole lot on my sleeve. Once that is done, I'll come and see Dad and we'll plan.
So when exactly are you going to be less busy?
Depending on my program, once I'm done, I'll come. Yeah.
It's all right. Tell her to visit us over the weekend.
Okay, sure. I'll tell her. So you said you're going back today?
Yes, I must go back today.
Why can't you stay back?
Even now, I'm leaving here right now.
Anyway, there's still time.
Yes.
So I have to drop you off.
That honestly, this whole thing is not my fault. Dan loves me and I love him too. I mean, we're in love. Lucy, you are a beast. You are a beast from the pit of hell. And I promise you, you will never ever see anything good. You are the beast. You are the beast. You are the one that will die early. You are the one that will die early. Yeah. Shut. Bastard. How dare you? You bastard. You will never ever see anything good in your life. Never. Idiot. Because you want to touch me? Right, we're going to beat the now you want to touch me? Try it. What's wrong with you? Just try it. I swear, Lucy, you will never see anything good in your life. You will suffer till the end of your life. You are the one that is going to suffer. I will suffer. I will suffer. I will suffer. You're very mad. You are mad.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, God,